about us. So Zictech Academy YouTube channel, we are the best website designer and development, mobile app application development, school portal development, and all kinds of software development. If you need a business investment website to develop for you, we are your right choice. If you need a Bitcoin investment website developed for you, we are your right choice. If you need a travel agent website developed for you, we are your right choice. If you need a bank script website, we are your right choice. If you need hospital management system, we are your right choice. If you need a visa processing website, we are your right choice. If you need a delivery website, we are your right choice. If you need e-commerce website, we are your right choice. Whatever kind of website you need to do your business, to run your business, we are your right choice. If you are looking now for who will deliver your ideal website development project for you quickly, professionally, with customized design to suit your taste and your business model, match your business brand, you are in the right channel. All you got to do, check our profile details on how to easily contact us. Our contact is on our YouTube channel. Easily contact us, reach out to us, tell us what you want, how you want it, when you want it. Believe me, we'll deliver to you swiftly, just as you want it. All right. So please don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed to this channel, and also share the video with your friends and your loved one so they're able to know what you offer on our YouTube channel. Besides this, we also do a lot of things on our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's continue. So I'll tell you more about Zictech Academy YouTube channel. Please watch the video to the end so you'll be able to know what we do and what you stand to gain while coming to this channel. Very, very important. The information we have to share with you guys on this channel is a full pack, and I believe you won't like to miss it. All right. On the Zictech YouTube channel, our info deck, we will be delivering first-hand information about how to make money online with little or no investment in real time. Yes, you hear me clearly. How to make money online with little or no investment in real time. It's already channel that you get this information. We have done it over and over. So we created this platform to share the information, to share the knowledge to people, so they can make money for themselves and be financially free. All right. So we're also going to provide information about how to switch to tech within 3 weeks and become a pro. Many people want to switch to tech, but they don't know where to start from. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to go about it. Or some are already in tech, but they want to advance their tech skill, but they don't know how to go about it. On this channel, we are going to provide you information on how you can switch to tech, step by step, what you need to do, how to do it, when to do it, where to do it, and every resource that you need. If you're already in tech, you want to advance your tech skill, we also going to provide you an advanced information, how to upgrade your tech skills. What's the next step? What do I need to do more? We are going to provide you such information. We are also going to provide you an advanced training video courses on website development, website design, and mobile app application development for free. In some platform, you require to pay a lot of money to have access to this kind of information. But on this channel, you get it for free. You don't have to pay any money. It's 100% free. Okay. We are also going to provide information about where to work safely online and earn up to 6 figures salary. There are a lot of resources that you can use to achieve this aim, but you might not know how to go about it. On this channel, we'll bring it to you. Where you to work safely online and earn up to 6 figures safely. The kind of resources you need, the kind of tools that you need, we are going to provide to you that you are going to be using on this environment, on this platform. We have them a lot that we are going to share with you on this platform. We are also going to provide information to you about how to get international job offer with sponsorship from the comfort of your home. You don't need to pay anybody to do this. You don't need to pay agent to do this. So we are going to show you information about how to get this done personally from the comfort of your home. We are also going to show you information about how to get the right company to sponsor your travel visa abroad. If you have idea or you have a choice or you just want to travel out of your country, so you need the right information to guide you how to go about it. So we are going to share information on these slides, how to go about this and get it done. So we are also to share information about travel tip, tricks, and travel support. So we have a information to share to you. It's a full pack. There are many more that also be coming with time to time. So I will encourage you to stay to the channel, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell below so you'll be able to notify each time we post a video. And please share this video with your loved ones, your friends, and your family member so they'll be able to get this information. If you have any question, please drop your comment below. We will definitely respond to your questions. Okay. All right. So we'll provide you with up-to-date tech information, up-to-date advanced tech training courses, like we said earlier before, for free. Up-to-date travel information and support for free. Up-to-date information on job vacancy. Please remember, on our YouTube channel, we will not promote violence, we will not promote any fake news. What we do is to offer educational information in tech, in travel, and job vacancies. Right. So we're also going to be supporting and providing you with up-to-date resources and tools to work online and earn money. Yes, there are a lot of tools, there are a lot of resources, a lot of sites that you can make money online. But how do you know them? How can you have access to it? These are what we are going to be sharing on our YouTube channel. What do you need to do? How do you use those tools? How do you use those resources and earn money with it? Right there from your home. With either it's a mobile phone, with your laptop, or with your tab. And you do those little things and earn some money for yourself to support your family. So this information we are going to be sharing on this platform. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed. And if you have subscribed, thank you very much for subscribing. And please click the notification bell below so each time we post a video, you'll be the first to be notified that we are posting a video. Every information we share is based on education and research work done. ensure you do your own finding before taking any decision. All right. So guys, this we have for you today, and we look forward working together. We look forward helping you achieve your aim. We look forward helping you achieve your goals in this year and beyond. We look forward seeing you making progress in your career. We look forward seeing you advancing. We look forward seeing you be happy because you are in the right channel to get the right information to take you to the next level. Yes, to the next level. Okay, so please stick to this channel and don't forget, share it with your friends, with your loved one, with anybody around you. Share in the social media platform, in your WhatsApp, in your Facebook, in your Instagram, in your TikTok. Share it and let people see our video. Okay, that is what you have to do for us. As we provide you this information for free, you are not paying for it, it's free of charge. And if you have any challenge, you have any issue, you contact us, we will help you sort it out. Thank you guys for watching, and we look forward seeing you in our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.